It's always my weight.
So,
POV ng lalaki.
the very first compliment.
Ay, okay, tuloy na natin. Hello, guys.
Hi guys! So, ayun. Magre-reaction video kami about sa recreate ulit sa what's the first thing people ever said about you.
Yun.
So, mostly
The
sa
very
mga
first
babae.
compliment that I got was, maganda na naman yung hair ko or yung gumaganda na ako. Someone who's strong physically.
I would usually get a lot of backhanded comments as well. Like they would say, "Oh, you got fatter. Oh, you got thinner." It's always my weight.
She's so dark and different, like physically. My name is Van, I'm 24 years old and I work as a social media manager. Hello, I'm Rika Torres. I'm 32 years old. I'm currently a national athlete and also a coach.
Hi, my name is Joan Phillips. I am currently a freelancer. I am 24 years old.
Hi, my name is Marielle. I'm 21 years old and I'm also a travel influencer in China. All my life, since I was 5 years old actually, I started doing sports. So I did a lot of sports, gymnastics, track and field, but yung sport na nag-stick sa akin is karate. Alam naman natin karate sa martial arts, di ba? So yung mga tao, ano yan? Malakas muntok, malakas sumipa. So doon na na-associate lagi na, huwag tayo lumapit dyan. Usually sinasabi nila, lagot magiging husband yan sa kanya kasi karate.
I have siblings. We're triplets. I would often get compared to them, like size-wise, because my sister and my brother, they have like a good build, like a physical build. Ako naman kasi, I'm a little on the large side just because of my height. Usually they would give more good comments to my sister. They would call her like, "Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's petite. Like she's shorter, girly, and all that." Pero ako kasi, I would mostly get the comments like, "Oh, you should lose a little more weight. Ayan, usually boys won't go to you if like you look like that." So growing up, that's something I had to absorb, like ever since I was younger.
I grew up in China. I grew up through local Chinese schools. I was always called the foreigner, the Lao Wai, the white Korean. So it was always different. Because of that, I was kind of a loner in a way. They would always say like, "Oh, she's darker than others," or like her features are a bit different. Yeah, I was kind of a loner in that aspect. Na-appreciate ko yung pagsabi nila na matalino ako. Parang nakikita din na mas sensible yung personality or yung character more than the physical level. Back then, I didn't know any better. So I did believe what everybody was telling me. Like, oh, they tell me I'm different. So I always felt like I needed to keep up with them. So that's when I started dyeing my hair. I started dyeing it in purple, pink, red, just to, you try to fit in.
The comments that I've been getting when I was younger, it definitely affected me in a way. It has gone to the point where I'm in the middle of stress eating, also in the middle of like not eating at all. It placed me in a negative light. Even though I try so hard to not mind it, but it will always be there, and it's something that people would always point out.
I kind of lost myself in that way because I wanted to be this, I want to be that, I wanted to keep up with everybody. Nawala na yung identity mo na ito ka ganyan. We live in a world na people are opinionated. People will always say something about you, whether good or bad. Yung pag-throw ng mga words na without actually understanding kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao. Parang imbes na nagiging helpful siya, medyo nagkakaroon ng invalidation siguro sa pakiramdam ng tao na yun. I would definitely prefer more comments about my personality, right? More than physical comments.
Well, I really wish that people would see me as hardworking, I guess, because they would mainly comment on yun, like outer appearance ko. She's bigger on the bigger side. I rarely get that from people these days. Actually, like you say, like, "Oh, you're really actually doing a really good job." It's really different, like hearing that from other people as well.
I hope they can compliment me more on the way I understand things. Parang kung ito yung pinaka-unang nakikita niya sa tao, maaaring hindi pa yun yung pinaka-kabuuan niya. I hope people around me can see me as someone who's selfless. Because I try to be selfless. I try to be generous as much as possible. Not just with material things, but with my time.
Ulan. Ikaw muna.
Alam mo, para sa akin,
Ka lang po.
we all have different perspective about dun sa mga tao na hindi natin kilala.
The first thing people say.
Kasi pwedeng, may mga times na mga, ay, si ganito, hindi ko siya kilala, ganito, ganyan. Pero feeling ko mas mungit siya. Feeling ko ganito, ganyan. Feeling ko, hindi ko siya makakasundo, ganyan. Pero kapag nakasundo mo naman na siya, marirealize mo na hindi pala tama yung mga stereotype na sinasabi ng ibang tao sa kanya. I mean, hindi mo malalaman kung ano yung totoong intent or yung totoong yung tao na yun kung hindi mo siya makakasalamuha or hindi mo siya magiging kaibigan. Yun. So, maraming tao na akala kapag sinabihan mo siya na ay ang ganda mo, ganun. Ay, ang payat mo, ay, ang sexy mo. Akala nila dun sa sinabihan nila is compliment yun. Actually, hindi. Maraming hindi, maraming oo. Magkakaiba kasi talaga.
Tingin ko the way siguro sabihin. The way, sabihin? Ay, ang ganda mo. Ay, ang payat mo. Gano'n.
Actually, hindi. Sa perspective talaga ng tao yan.
Kaya nga,
Doon yan. Hindi siya about sa tone, hindi siya about sa... Siyempre, ako di ba kina-compliment mo, hindi ako naniniwala. Kasi, yun, may iba akong perspective about doon. Magkakaiba talaga. I mean, dito lang sa pinanood natin, di ba may athlete, tapos, gusto niya daw na nakikilala siya selfless, ganun. Pero syempre, di ba, kung hindi mo siya makikilala, syempre, lagi mong compliment sa kanya is strong siya, ganito, ganyan, magaling siya, ganun. Ayaw niya nga I mean, hindi naman sa ayaw siguro. Parang, para sa kanya, mas matimbang yung compliment na selfless siya. Diba? Dito din sa isa, yung matalino siya, ganun. Mas na-appreciate niya kung i-compliment mo siya about sa how she understands things, ganun. Halimbawa, may nakilala ka, maganda, ganito, ganyan. Sabi mo siya, hala, ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung naiisip niya habang sinasabihan mo siya nun. Hindi naman, I mean, compliment is still a compliment. Pero, yun nga, may magkakaiba tayong perspective. Halimbawa, yung maganda na yun pala, she was bullied, ganun, nung bata pa siya, ganyan. Tapos nag-bloom lang siya nung ano na siya, dalaga na siya. Siyempre, ikaw ba naman nasabihan ka simula nung pagkabata mo na dapat ganito ka, dapat ganito ka, tingnan mo si ganito, ganyan. Tapos finally, sinabihan ka na ng ganun and you feel confident. Parang feeling mo, yung word na yun is parang sarcasm na lang. Ganun. I mean, you tried so hard para lang mag-get yung standard na yung mga standard nila ngayon. Tapos sasabihan ka nila ng ganun. Tapos feeling mo sarcastic yung mga ganun nila. Ganun. Kakaiba kasi talaga tayo ng perspective. Maaaring gusto nila yung compliment na yun or hindi nila gusto yung compliment na yun pero hindi lang nila pinapoint out.
Since ako dun sa what's the first thing people ever say about you, kasi mostly ang salita kasi what the first thing people ever said about you. So, madalas yung first impression talaga yan. So, yun. So, yun, athlete siya, malakas siya. So, yung isa is artista or nag-model, sabihin sa kanya, maganda. Diba? Tapos yung isa is kung maganda yung work niya or mahirap na siyempre, ibang yung isa yung nag-aaral, diba? Kasi achiever siya. So, matalino yung talagang, yun yung unang sasabihin sa kanya. Tsaka yun yung matatanda. First impression last nga daw. So, ayun, play namin natin.
Would love to receive, but she's so positive. Because
I think yung mga kasi nga, yung kasi yung what's the first thing people say ever about you, tapos may kadoktong siguro na ano ba yung gusto mong maalala ka nila talaga. Yun, so siguro ito yung mga comment nila, yun ang call me positive. So yun siguro.
Yes, ganun nga talaga.
I think it helps me build resilience. Like, if I get a no from here, like, it's okay. There's gonna be a yes somewhere. There's gonna be an open door somewhere. If this door closes, there's gonna be another door that will open. So I feel like it helps me more be more resilient. I remember specifically, Robert, if you're watching, this is you. He said like your energy and your aura is so beautiful. It's so calming. Like when you walk inside a room, you're such a force. And you really know how to connect with everybody. Like my heart melted. I'm like,
Also, yun yung compliment sa kanya na yun is kilala na siya ng lalaki. Hindi siya first impression. So, alam na yung background niya. So, kung paano siya. Tama?
Yes.
So, nakapag-compliment ng ganun yung lalaki.
when I walk into a room, it made me trust myself more in public and how I talk to people because I love to work. But that comment made me like, it gave me a little kick to my step. I'm like, yeah, I should trust myself more. It's all about just be me wherever I go.
Well, the comment that I got like lately was going back at my old workplace is that my boss before, like when the boss that I used to work for, she was talking to like the other AJs back in my old job, she was telling them like, you know, like if you look at Joan, like she doesn't care what people think of how she dresses. Saying like, you know, you can really tell like Joan's like really confident. You can tell like when she walks in the room, like she knows what to do, like she knows what she's doing. And like my confidence just went through the roof. Like just from that one comment, like I was even telling her like, you know, ma'am, if it wasn't for that comment, I don't think I would be as happy or as confident if it wasn't for that comment that you just gave me. It may be just a simple like one-line sentence, but for me, like that meant everything.
I'm very proud to say that I have a very strong support system. My family supported me, my friends supported me. They showed me that the only voice that matters is God's voice and your own voice.
Words can have a lot of meanings, and I think how we say those words will also affect kung ano yung mararamdaman nila. I think choosing the right words, timing, and how we say it is very important.
Another lyric quote na naman yung words get deep. Ganyan. So, itong mga words na to, kahit sabihin mong parang mabibitawan mo lang sila or nasasabi mo lang, mahirap na silang ibalik, mahirap na silang bawiin. So you have to be careful kasi sabi nga nila yung mga nagsabi, parang di na nila naalala yung mga nasasabi nila. Pero yung mga nasasabihan, tumatagal yun sa kanila for a long time.
Definitely always be mindful what the person is going through. It's a harsh world out there, definitely, and like a lot of people are just going through a lot right now. So it's very important to just always be mindful. If your comment would not back up with a good one, just don't say it. Like, if you can't be empathetic enough like to know what they're going through, then just don't say it. Just don't say anything.
Protect your energy. If you want to become that person, start thinking like that person. Give energy like you're already that person. No matter what you say, what's for you is for you, and you're good enough for it.
So, ano comment mo pa yun?
Ano para sa akin, I wanted to be remembered as strong. Someone told me na I was the strongest.
Strongest. Basta, sige.
Strongest person na nabit nila.
Yan?
Yun.
Yun na?
And sobrang meaningful para sa akin na. Kasi, yun. I will not tell, pero, yun. Sobrang na-capture talaga ako nang sinabi niya na yun. I mean, may mga nagsabi na sa akin ng mga ganun. Like, pero, yung mga nagsabi sa akin ng mga ganun is yung totoong mga nakakilala talaga sa akin. Yun. I mean, hindi ko kailangan i-prove yung sarili ko sa inyo. Walang tao na kailangan i-prove nila yung sarili nila. Pero yun, kung makikilala mo yung isang tao, ganun, like, kung sino talaga sila. Kung bakit sila naging ganun, marirealize mo na yung judgment or yung stereotype pala na alam mo noon is ibang-iba pala talaga siya sa totoong siya. Yan.
So ako anong tingkahan natin? Wala, mamasayahin lang ganun. Tapos, eventually, yung mga hindi mo siya compliment siguro yung mga, kasi siguro may pinapayuhan na ako tungkol sa work. Siguro after a year, bumalik ako doon. Tapos nakita ko siya. Tapos ba't inano mo ginagawa mo talaga? Kasi sabi mo gawin ko yun. Ganun dati na natutunan. Kumbaga, mas natutuwa ako pagka yung mga naturo ko is na-absorb nila din, na gagamit nila and nare-realize nilang tama. So, gano'n, I want to remember, gusto ko maalala nila yung mga gano'n ko na hindi na ako jolly na masayang tao, gano'n. Na, minsan kasi iba yung impression nila pag masayaan ka parang parang buong mukha gano'n. That. Pero yun daw yun nga, hindi, kasi ako kasi hindi ako nagpo-portray na yung matalino, dami ko pag-usap na kalokohan din. Pagka eventually yung malalim na yung usapan, doon na maging serious, mas magiging mas engaging na, tsaka mas may mindful na yung usapan, hindi na siya yung kalat. So, ayun.
Ayun lang yung mga insights namin sa
Bahala kayo, manood
reaction
kayo.
video.
Thank you.